Hey guys, in this video, I want to talk a little bit about this YouTube software called TubeBuddy, and I want to show you how I use TubeBuddy to grow my YouTube channel. So, um, one of the things that I did was I looked up room research, which is a very trending, probably like a year ago, it was a super trending note-taking software. And now, like if you look at the keyword score, because it's been saturated with a ton of videos, it's no longer as easy to rank for it. So you'll see here that it's ranked poorly, that the search volume is great, but the competition is very high. Whereas when I first started making the videos, the search volume was like pretty decent, but the competition wasn't a lot. So there was like quite a good volume and not as much competition. And that's how I managed to grow my YouTube channel. So let's go into my channel so you can see. So I go here, TubeBuddy, and I'll go to the dashboard. That's the name of one of my YouTube channels, Upgraded Brain, and you'll see here that I got 708 subscribers. And let's go to video analytics. Okay, no, that's for this specific video. Let's do it for content generally. And then let's do it by views. And you'll see here that like all these videos that I made, they're all to do with like note taking and for example, like one of the other ones that I found was RemNote, which is another alternative to room research as a note-taking tool, which is also very popular. And I used TubeBuddy to help me find that was actually not a very competitive keyword. So if I go into back into YouTube, and then let's see how a RemNote ranks now. Show keyword score. I think it's probably still not as competitive. Yeah. So now, like if you were to make videos for RemNote, which is actually a really nice note-taking software, it wouldn't actually be very hard to rank for it. You've got good volumes and you've also got not that much competition. And this is more or less kind of like how I look for room research before, before everybody started making videos about room research. You can see here that there's around 282,000 searches a month, and the ones with the most views get 500,000 views. And you can also, like for additional ideas, you can do related searches. So comparison will be really good to do. And then like common video tags to add on your videos as well. These are the ones that you can use. And I've generally found that if you like just kind of search around and you don't necessarily need, obviously if you upgrade, you get a lot more data. But if you just kind of search around and try in different keywords and stuff, then you can start to get an idea of, which phrases and keywords are going to be your low-hanging fruit. So, for example, like RemNote versus Enki, I imagine that, yeah, so search volume would be super low, but I think that actually you wouldn't get a whole ton of competition. I think, yeah, so let's see. Yeah, so it looks like it's only the first five or whatever videos that's actually dedicated to the specific topic of RemNote versus Enki. So if you made a video on that, then you're very likely to get some views. Obviously, so these two, I think that not the views that they've gotten is not only for this keyword, but it's also for just for Enki and just for RemNote. And the other thing you can check out is like, for example, like this. So for this video, they got 52,000 views. For this one, they got 5,500 views. There's also a good chance that this guy's channel is probably, bigger. So this one's got 200,000 and Liam's got 900. But you can see that this guy has got a much smaller channel. And so probably a lot more of this has come from organic searches and organic ranks rather than from the size of his channel alone. And so if you go through his videos, you probably get some good ideas for what kind of videos might work for you as well, since he's got a sort of smaller channel and he has videos that have done pretty well as well. So yeah, so I hope that's helpful, and I think YouTube generally is a great place to start for content creators. And I hope you enjoyed this video.